What's up, guys? So I'm trying out something a little different here. I got my stabilizer back out. I haven't used this thing in forever. I just want to kind of figure out a way to take phone videos that I can post on YouTube that have a little better transition than me fumbling around with my hand in the camera when I flip it around to show you guys stuff. Also, I don't really want to use the backwards selfie camera either. So we'll see how this little video comes out. I'm going to post it either way. Y'all give me some notes on it. So obviously the transitions between me looking at the camera and, you guys obviously see stuff behind me. Kind of hard to control from this angle. So I may need something a little different. Other than that, I'll probably try to put the GoPros on here as well at some point. I don't know if y'all can even see me. My head's probably like cut off from here down. I don't know. But I'm going to show you guys a couple transitions here to where I kind of look at the car and then I turn it back around and point it towards myself. And I think this software for this DJI Osmo 2 records at 720. So we'll kind of figure that out. I might try to go with one of their different stabilizers that can extend maybe, or something like that, or a different brand. I don't know yet, but y'all let me know. I do like this stabilizer pretty well. It is kind of a pain to use to do these type of videos. Yeah, I don't know. I'm saying a lot lately, man. I need to do some more damn videos, right? Shit. Other than that, yeah, I might. And the GoPro, I know, has a stabilizer as well. The problem is, I like to do these shorter videos all in one. I don't want to edit, so it's easier just to do it on my phone because I already have it with me. So without further ado, we're going to try to do some little transitions here. I'm going to flip the camera around to the car just to see how it pans into the picture. And y'all just kind of let me know. Give me some notes. See what we got. Oh, that was absolutely terrible. Well, yeah, we did get the headlights cleaned up at work. They look a lot better. So the front clip will be ready to kind of get figured out here in a couple days. I may start on that Thursday if we don't have anything else going on. So let's pan back around to me and see what happens. So I have oh, that's why. All right, hold on, man. The pitch lock is on. That kind of doesn't help. Whoop. There we go. That might be better. So y'all let me know what you think of the first one with the pitch lock on. Obviously that probably didn't work too good. And that sucks because I do have my arm like fully extended right now to hold on to this thing and probably just get my head in it. So we'll pan back around. Dang, that was actually pretty good. I dig it. Oh my God, my license plate. I don't know why people get so mad about that shit. Twist Boost Media. Hey, we still got stickers. Oh, yeah, see, there we go. The pan was off a little bit. So, I can also make it follow objects as well, except when I turn the camera around. So I guess I could make it follow my face first, and then when I flip it around, I just turn it off. See, I feel like turning it towards the car is a lot better. Dang, look at that sexy beast. I love this color. Sorry, got distracted. When I turn it back around to me, I feel like there's a harder transition because it likes to kind of point up at the sky. Let that sit for a second. And then we'll do that. All right, so it'll probably be a real smooth motion now. I can just kind of be like, what's up? Then I hit the limit of the stabilizer right here on the arm, and you guys can, I mean, it just, I don't know, it doesn't work that well. Yep. Oh, come on now. Yeah, if you try to move and stuff at the same time, it doesn't really work. A dirty ass canyon. Time for car washes, man. Alright, anyway, let me know what you think. That was